Probably.
Yeah, the next one.
This morning we're trying some new coffee. I got a free mug with it. Good morning! Welcome back. I'm on spring break right now. It's actually almost coming to an end, which is actually really, really sad. I've been pretty busy hanging out with family and stuff and working a lot. So today, before I go to work, I thought I would chop this hair off because I've been in this battle with myself for the past like 2 weeks, wondering whether or not I should just chop my hair. And I thought, you know what? Today, I think we're gonna chop it up to here. I have 20 minutes, so I don't know if I'm gonna get it done. I have no choice but to get it done because we have work today, so yay! So I have my little setup here. These are the scissors I'm using today. They're from Sally's, I think, and I got them for super duper cheap. So the sun is still on its way out. It hasn't come through to our apartment yet, but this is the biggest mirror we have in our apartment, so I'm gonna do it here. You see like how dry these ends are? Gross. Not okay. If you're gonna try to do this at home, don't do it. Or you should do it if you can. There's a bunch of like YouTube tutorials and stuff. I probably watched like 40 videos explaining how to cut your own hair at home. It's not that bad, plus you save so much money. And if you mess up, then you have nobody else to blame but yourself. I think in the video, she like tied her hair in a ponytail or in a couple ponytails first. Okay, so I think this is where I'm gonna cut it. Like a little lower. Wow, actually my hair grew a lot the past couple months. I'm scared. Snap. I don't know why I felt so confident, like watching these videos, like, oh, it's not that bad, you know? It looks so easy. And now that I'm doing it, I'm like scared out of my mind. Goodbye, hair. I did it! Oh shit. Hey, it doesn't look bad, right? I just have to like even it all out now. Oh. Does it look bad?
No.
I just have to fix it. Like a lot unevenness everywhere. Now I'm gonna do this thing and just make sure it doesn't look bad. Your hair.
Okay, so taste this. It's like a smoothie breaking in my hair thing.
It's pretty good. probably a bunch of stray hairs. That's why I curled it so nobody will see it. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this very short video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in probably
the next one.
Bye!